Hi, in this video I will show you how to set up Packeta in Shopify. We will go through the whole process step by step from installation to exporting orders. First, let's look at the installation and basic setup. After installing the app, you can choose between two plans: pickup point and full package. The main difference is how orders are exported to Packeta. With the pickup points plan, you export the orders manually using CSV file. With the full package plan, orders are exported automatically via API. Orders are sent directly to Packeta, marked as fulfilled, and tracking numbers are added automatically. For cash on delivery, the app also marks the orders as paid after delivery. After installation and choosing a plan, you need to add app blocks to your theme, especially to thank you page and order status page. This is important because customers choose their pickup points through these blocks. If you use Shopify Plus, you can also add the blocks directly in the checkout. With lower plans, this is unfortunately not possible because Shopify only allows this for Plus stores. The block language is automatically set based on the customer location. You can edit the text, but only for Czech and English. Other languages are translated automatically. Next step is connecting shipping methods with the app. Go to Settings and Shipping and Delivery. Add shipping option. Then go to the app, mapping shipping rates, and you will see these shipping methods here. Each one represents an option the customer will see at the checkout. To map them, open the menu for the shipping method and choose if it is pickup point or home delivery. The pickup points selector will only appear for the pickup points method. Now let's set the API. If you use full package plan, fill your API details in the app settings. You can find this in your Packeta account in user profile section. The sender name can be found under the user details, user information, senders, and identification. You can also choose when an order is marked as fulfilled immediately after export or after the package is physically handed over the Packeta. There is also option to send an email if the customer forgets to choose the pickup point. The email is sent about 1 hour after the order is created, and you can edit it for different languages. Now let's see how it works from the customer perspective. The customer goes through the checkout, select the shipping method, finish the order, and then choose the pickup point. The selection is saved in the order and you can then export it. You can export a single order, or you can export multiple orders at once. With API export, just click on the button and wait. Then you can print labels directly in the Shopify admin. With the CSV export, you download a file. Then you go to Packeta admin, parcel import, here, import file, and click on upload. And post selected. And then you will be able to print the labels in the Packeta admin. If you see any errors during the export, check our help center for common issues and solutions. You will find the link below the video, or contact us directly via chat in the app. Thank you for watching, and we wish you smooth order shipping.